Global happenings today. We communicate. We analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, great people. Welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to have you again. Now, the documents talking about the particulars of the misconduct are out. The previous video you are currently watching showed the letter when they prepared the letter to send to the governor. They said they have already courier it, but just like they always say, where is the acknowledgement copy? Because right now what we saw, there wasn't an acknowledgement copy of that document. This is the social media copy. But however, it's good enough we debrief you on exactly the content of it, and we're going to be looking at the particulars of the misconduct attributed to the governor. Number A shows that His Excellency Asimilare Fubara, GSSR, Governor of Rivers State, refused to present the Rivers State Appropriation Bill 2024 to the Rivers State House of Assembly, contrary to Section 121, Subsection 1 and 2 of the Constitution, and disobeyed the order of the Federal High Court in suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/1813/2023, which declared that thus as it stands in law, no appropriation bill of the Rivers State has been presented, neither has any of such bill been passed into law, as the purported presentation, passage, and signing into law of Appropriation Bill 2024 of Rivers State is void ab initio, and ordered him to present the Appropriation Bill 2024 to the House. B. That His Excellency Asimilare Fubara, GSSR, Governor of Rivers State, authorize or approve withdrawal from the Consolidation Revenue Fund of Rivers State in the 2024 financial year of Rivers State without an appropriation law duly passed by the Rivers State House of Assembly, contrary to Section 120 of the Constitution. C. That His Excellency Asimilare Fubara, GSSR, Governor of Rivers State, violated Section 122 of the Constitution by authorizing expenditure from the Consolidated Revenue Fund of Rivers State, even after the Rivers State House of Assembly declared a shutdown on Rivers State government expenditure in a resolution passed at the 4th legislative day of the second session of the 10th Rivers State House of Assembly, which held on Monday, the 15th day of July 2024. Thereby relegating the constitutional resolution passed by the House to the background. D. That on Friday, the 28th day of February 2025, the Supreme Court of Nigeria, before their Lordship Wani Musa Abe Aji, GSC, Ibrahim Mohammed Musa, Emmanuel Akomayagim, GSC, Choma Egundu Nwosu Iheme, GSC, and Jamilu Toko, GSC, in suit number SC/CV/1174/2024, restored the judgment of the Federal High Court in suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/984/2024, which confirmed that Asimilare Fubara, the Governor of Rivers State, never presented an appropriation bill for 2024, still does not have an appropriation law for 2025. So, ordered that the Central Bank of Nigeria and the Accountant General of the Federation should forthwith stop the release and payment of funds to the government of the Rivers State, its organ, department, and officials, any money belonging to Rivers State until an appropriation law is made by Rivers State House of Assembly constituted as prescribed by the 1999 Constitution. Gross misconduct. That hindering or obstructing the Rivers State House of Assembly, which is another arm of government protected by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, from performing her constitutional duties. Particulars of misconduct. That His Excellency Asimilare Fubara ordered and personally supervised the demolition of the Rivers State House of Assembly, hallowed chamber, and auditorium at the Rivers State House of Assembly complex, Moscow Road, Port Harcourt, on the 13th day of December 2023. This action was in contravention of the ex parte order of the Federal High Court in suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/1613/2023 or 2013, the road 2013, issued on the 30th of November 2023, which declared that the Rivers State House of Assembly is a constitutional institution that needs to be preserved pending the determination of the motion on notice dated and filed 29th November 2023, that the judgment delivered on the 22nd of January 2024 in favor of the Rivers State House of Assembly where the presiding Judge Justice J.K. Omotosho in suit number FSC-ABJ-CS-16S-161-2013 condemned the act of demolition and stated that this court finds it strange that the 11 defendants as chief executive of the state would go to the extent of stopping the authentic House of Assembly from sitting through devious means such as destroying the House of Assembly complex is noteworthy. But don't forget that all of this happened in 2018, because according to the suit date, the number they shows 2018. Whether it's typographical error or what, I don't know. Now, C states that the Supreme Court in suit number SC-CV-1174/2024 delivered on the 23rd of February 2025 took judicial notice of the illegal demolition and condemned the action of the governor of Rivers State, wherein it was stated that, surprisingly, on 13th of December 2023, in gross violation of the subsisting order of the trial court, the appellant demolished Rivers State House of Assembly complex at Moscow Road and secretly arranged 4 members of the first correspondent led by Right Honorable A.E.'s Edison to a place outside the premises of the State House of Assembly and held a sham sitting of the first respondent. Gross misconduct, appointment of persons to occupy office to position in the Rivers State government without allowing for the requirement of screening and confirmation as prescribed by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, other extant laws, but making the request for screening to persons other than the legitimate Rivers State House of Assembly. Particulars of gross misconduct: that His Excellency Sir Similarly Fubara, GSSR, Governor of Rivers State, made several appointments which are in contempt of the order of the Federal High Court in a judgment delivered in suit number FHC-ABJ-CS-1613-2023 that prohibited him from dealing with any other person or house other than the Rivers State House of Assembly under the leadership of Right Honorable Martin Mochike Amaewhule as Speaker. This judgment, which was upheld by the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court, stated, among other things, that an order is hereby made restraining the 11 defendants from howsoever or in whatsoever manner making any request, presentation, or nomination to the Rivers State House of Assembly except to the Rivers State House of Assembly under the leadership of the second plaintiff as Speaker. That His Excellency Sir Similarly Fubara, Governor of Rivers State, failed to forward the names of the nominees for appointment as Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice in line with Section 192, subsection 2 and 6, as well as Section 195, subsection 1 of the 1999 Constitution, as amended to the legitimate Rivers State House of Assembly as declared by the judgment of the Federal High Court in FHC-ABJ-CS-1613-2023, but choose to announce one Mr. Dagogo Oboroma to assume the said position. The next one says that His Excellency Sir Similarly Fubara, GSSR, is illegally sworn in several other persons who were purportedly confirmed by certain individuals for appointment into the Rivers State Executive Council on Tuesday, 21st of May, 2024. Namely, they now listed the names of the people without screening and confirmation by the Rivers State House of Assembly in full compliance with Section 192, subsection 2 and 6 of the 1999 Constitution as amended others who were sworn in on Tuesday, 13th of August 2024, they listed their name, and they said they were sworn in on Monday, 7th October. Another name were listed. Another names were listed on the 8th of July 2024, announcing a total number of 19 persons parading themselves and misleading Rivers people that they are commissioners with your tacit approval. D. That His Excellency Asimilare Fubara, GSSR, Governor of Rivers State, illegally swore in one Mr. Lawrence Oko Jaja as chairman, and then members were listed as members of the Rivers State Bureau of Public Procurement on Friday, 30th of August 2024, without screening and confirmation by the legitimate Rivers State House of Assembly as stipulated on Section 4A of the Rivers State Procurement or Public Procurement Law Number 4 of 2008. Others are, they listed the names also as members. That His Excellency Asimilare Fubara, GSSR, Governor of Rivers State, engaged some persons. They listed the names and as members of the Rivers State Local Government Service Commission without screening and confirmation by the legitimate Rivers State House of Assembly, contrary to Section 44, subsection 3 of the Rivers State Local Government Law Number 5 of 2018. That His Excellency Asimilare Fubara, GSSR, Governor of Rivers State, made the illegal appointment and refused rescind his action even after several letters were sent to him and published in the electronic and print media following resolution of the House. Number 4, gross misconduct, seizure of salary allowance as well as funds standing to the credit of the legitimate Rivers State House of Assembly, contrary to Section 121, subsection 3 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. Now listed when it all happened. Now another gross misconduct they mentioned was seizure of the salary of the clerk of the Rivers State House of Assembly. They also make mention of the particulars. All of these were signed by the 26 lawmakers, starting from Right Honorable Domley Moa, who is Gokana constituency, Honorable Major Jack Akoku Toru constituency. They continue like that till the 26 lawmakers. Those were some of the gross misconduct that they brought up against him, and all of this, as I have stated before now, are all in the social media. We have not seen any form of receipt stamp on it. Don't forget that Fubara has been sending a lot of letters to them. They have not been acknowledging receipt. Well, we've seen videos pointing to the fact that those letters were sent across to them, but they decline acknowledging it. This one we are reading out to you, is just the work of social media. We are yet to affirm if the governor have seen it. The only way it will prove that he has seen it is possibly a stamp of acknowledgement of the receipt. Don't forget that these letters are meant to be replied in the next 7 days according to the provision of the Constitution. That's the first stage which they will go through it before they start.